Maybe, may be. What's the difference? I'm Teacher Mike. I help adults like you learn real English that they can use in their daily lives. And today, I'm going to make sure that you understand how to use maybe and may be. Let's start with maybe. Maybe basically means that we are not sure about something. You can use it with any tense, and we usually put it at the beginning of a sentence. It can also be used as a one-word answer, just like yes or no. Here are some examples. I'm not sure what to do today. Maybe I'll go shopping. You should try it. Maybe you'll like it. He didn't answer the phone. Maybe he's busy. Okay, how about may be? Whereas maybe can be used with any tense, may be is only used to talk about the present and the future. Here are the main ways that we use it. First, we use may be instead of is, am, or are when we are unsure about something in the present. For example, he is hungry. If we aren't sure about this, we can say he may be hungry. Or he is working. If we aren't sure about this, we can say he may be working. Second, we can use it instead of is going to be, am going to be, are going to be, or will be when we are unsure about something in the future. For example, we are going to be late. If we aren't sure about this, we can say we may be late. Or she's going to be excited. If we aren't sure about this, we can say she may be excited. We can also use there may be to show the possibility of something existing now or in the future. For example, there may be a storm this evening. Or there may be free drinks at the event tomorrow. So remember, maybe just means that we aren't sure about something. It can be used with any tense, and it's almost always the first word in the sentence. For example, maybe she was tired. Or maybe he wants to improve his English. May be means that we aren't sure if someone or something will be something. It replaces verb to be, and it comes after the subject. For example, you may be right, or this may be a bad idea. And yes, instead of may be, you can also use might be. However, there is a small difference between may and might. If you don't know what that difference is, I recommend watching this video right here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.